Today we're putting together this quick and easy delicious strawberry spinach salad. We're going to assemble the salad in the very same bowl we plan on serving it in. We're going to start by layering our salad. To the bowl, add in a good handful of fresh spinach and mixed greens. Once you have a nice base layer, we're going to wash our big beautiful strawberries and slice off the tops. Once you're ready, we're going to slice each strawberry like so. While we have our cutting board out, we're going to roughly chop up some pecans. I'm using raw pecans, but if you'd rather use roasted, salted, or even candied pecans, that works too. Toss in a good handful of those sliced strawberries, followed by some pecans. For the cheese, I'm going with this blue cheese crumble. You could also use goat cheese, gorgonzola, or feta if you're not a big fan of blue cheese. Once you've added your cheese, repeat those layers until you run out of space in your salad bowl. If you're interested in a homemade balsamic vinaigrette dressing, you'll need half a cup of olive oil, 1/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. Whisk until fully combined. It's best to serve the dressing on the side. Here's a full ingredients list. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.